Let us talk about the story of a young man from Samoa. This is the story of Milo entitled Cold Through Pain. My name is Milo and I came from the beautiful islands of Samoa. My childhood was not easy. I grew up in a home filled with pain and fear because of my father's alcoholism and the violence we witnessed. This deeply affected my heart and my faith. As I grew older, I often asked God, do I have a purpose? Is there still a future for me? I prayed and searched for answers, but He seemed silent. I became angry and blamed God. Yet despite this, I continued to feel His pull toward me. I began attending Bible studies and worship services. My mother became my strength. Even in her own pain, she encouraged me to do what was right. When she learned about the 2024 Youth Congress in Samoa, she told me, "You should go." Her words touched my heart. Before the Congress, I asked God for a sign. During one session, there was a call for a one-year missionary service. At that moment, I clearly felt that God was calling me. I realized that His silence was not rejection, but preparation. Before I left for training at Fulton College, my brother suddenly passed away. I was overwhelmed with grief and lost hope. I felt like I had failed. But once again, my mother strengthened me and reminded me of God's calling on my life. I felt the guidance and power of the Holy Spirit. Today, my message to anyone who is suffering is this: do not give up. God is still working even in the silence. Keep praying, believing, and listening. When God's calling comes, you will recognize it, and you will never regret saying yes to Him. Jesus said, "Blessed are those who are persecuted for righteousness' sake, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven." Matthew 5 verse 10. God faithfully takes care of His people. Through the 13th Sabbath offering, many Bibles have been provided in the South Pacific. Your offering this quarter will help support children's health projects in the Solomon Islands and Vanuatu. Thank you for your generous offering.